Does your apartment building have SOPs? Hello, Stephanie here with Truedoor Property Management. Today we're going to talk to you about standard operating procedures, aka SOPs. A standard operating procedure is a clear step-by-step instructions on how to do specific tasks the right way. They help everyone follow the same process, making sure everything is done safely and correctly. Property management isn't just watching over buildings, it's about paying attention to detail, and SOP helps prevent small issues from turning into big problems. SOPs keep staff functioning in a consistent manner. Why is this important? An SOP is like the backbone of all property operations. It makes sure everyone knows what to do, keeping things consistent and avoiding legal trouble. For example, if you have two staff members that do your screening of tenants slightly different, then you've unintentionally opened yourself to fair housing and possible discrimination lawsuits. Another example would be how you handle work orders with standard timeframes, standard procedures. These will keep you operating consistently so that small maintenance issues don't become big maintenance issues. You don't have to have the perfect way to do each task. You just have to have a way of doing each task. And as long as you have a consistent way of doing each task, when SOPs are in place, it's easier to train staff, it's easier to hold them accountable, and it's easier to maintain consistency. So let's come back to the question. Does your apartment building have SOPs? If the answer is yes, amazing, congratulations. But if the answer is no, I would recommend starting with your core functions and just create a simple checklist for each function. You know exactly what needs to be done, just document the entire process from start to finish and who does what, and you'll be well on your way. If you don't have an SOP in place and don't have the time to create one, Truedoor Property Management may be a good solution. All of our processes are recorded, our staff are well trained. Every issue that comes up has a way of dealing with it. Our clients love our consistent approach because it gives them consistent results. I'm Stephanie with Truedoor Property Management. Call us to see if Truedoor can make you more money with less drama.